Hey y'all, I'm Chris, and this is It Worth It, y'all. And today we're back at it again. It is monthly menu planning time. Boy, did the last month of September fly by. I don't know about y'all, but I don't remember half of it. So we're gonna go through September, see how we did. It ain't looking good. And then we're gonna work on October to make sure that we're set up for success. So stick around and we're gonna go and meal plan for the month of October. Here we go. Okay, y'all, here is September. This was the plan. This plan got blown out of the water. It was a great plan, but it went south real quick. See the green? Those are the only days that we stayed on plan. I had to make a trip home to help my dad with some computer work. We had a couple events pop up. It was Greg's birthday. We had to catch up on some filming. So this week completely changed. Today's the 30th. We actually ate leftovers today, so that was great. But now that all the franticness is over, we get to do a do-over and try to plan some of the meals that we planned last time, this time, because we still need to get rid of some of these food items. So, see, sometimes life just happens and your plan gets thrown out the window. 2, 4, 6. We were only on plan 8 days of the 30. Oh my goodness. We still ate well. We had some really good meals, but yeah, that plan went out the window. So let's forget about September and move on to October. Now, for those of you that have been around for a little bit, you know the drill. We are laying in all of our leftover nights, which are Tuesday and Saturday. We have switched our burger night to ramen. So we're gonna do ramen, we're gonna do soup one night. Greg always likes a couple date nights and I want a couple burger nights. So I laid those in. We've got plans this evening, so we don't have a plan. I have made some notes down here of things that we need to get rid of, and I'm gonna try to incorporate those in. Remember all that cauliflower rice we were gonna get rid of? We didn't use a single cauliflower rice. So I think we need to use some cauliflower rice. So I've got some meals that I wanna do. So I wanna make sure that we get those in. We've already got the ramen written in. I wanna make chicken pot pie. So I'd like to do that probably on a Friday because I'll have time. Let's write that in, chicken pot pie. Okay, scratch that off. Chili, I need to make chili. The next week or two are gonna be hot. So I'm gonna put the chili down here. Put that in. Breakfast for dinner, let's do that sooner rather than later. Let's see, we'll do breakfast for dinner here. Okay. And then I want to do a chicken stir fry. And I think we'll do, we got chicken here. I think I want to do the chicken stir fry here. Okay. Let's do Spam for breakfast for dinner. And now we got cauliflower rice. What were we gonna do with cauliflower rice? We were gonna do smoked chicken with cauliflower rice. No, we got a lot. We already have a couple chickens. Here's a pork loin and cauliflower rice. Let's do that. Let's do that here. We were gonna do a fried rice. So there's a stir fry. Let's use that beef brisket that we were gonna do. And we're gonna do beef, brisket, cauliflower, fried rice here. That's a mouthful. We're still trying to get rid of that leg of lamb, y'all. Let's put it here. I found it and everything and just can't seem to make it work. Let's see. We have a bunch of beef stew we need to, let's do the beef stew here. That's a dump and go meal. That's our fast food. We don't have any fish. Oh, you know what? We didn't do fish and chips the other day. So let's do that on a Sunday. Let's do fish and chips here. We just bought a bunch of potatoes too, so that's perfect. We are out of pizza crusts, so, all right, I got most of those. I got 2 cauliflower rices in here. Let's go take a look at, ooh, there's a big old glare on my phone. Okay. Let's go look at all of the red dots so we can figure out what we need to get rid of. Boudin sausage. That doesn't sound right because I think I brought home new boudin, so we got to look at that number. Vegetables, what are we doing? Oh, it says I got a bunch of onions in the freezer, but I don't. They're over here. Meals, pork chops and rice. I don't know that that's in there. Oh, we need to do a pasta night with all of these stuffed mushrooms. Let's see. We're gonna do pasta and stuffed mushrooms. And that's a bunch of hamburger, but it's only a day out, so we're cool. If you hear the noise, that's Greg blowing leaves outside right now. Let's see. Beef. What do we have in here? Beef brisket. Yeah, I know. I'm getting rid of the brisket. I'm getting rid of the lamb. What is it? Oh, all that. I need to update that cheese. Let's see. Pork, bacon, jowl. Oh, we have a kielbasa left. We have that smoked chicken that we need to use. Let's do smoked chicken here with broccoli and cauliflower rice. I want to do like an Indian dish. We need to do, there's chicken. What if we did a chicken stir fry here? No, we do a chicken curry here. I've got all the ingredients for chicken curry. That sounds amazing. Let's see, 1, 2, 3. 3 cauliflower rices. How many cauliflower rices do I have? I don't even want to know. I have 6. Whoops, 6 cauliflower rice. Okay, well that's half. How many more days do I have? 2. Okay, let's see. Let's see what Greg's got. Oh, you know what? Here, let's do TV dinners here. Because we made those, now we need to eat them. And then, what else does he have in his? We got a bunch of chicken we gotta get rid of. There's pork. What's pork? Ooh, ham slices? He has ham slices? Ham. Oh, wow. What do we want to do? What are them sandwiches called where they fry them? Monte Cristo. I mean, let's get crazy, folks. We're going to do Monte Cristo sandwiches. Okay. There we go. And how many rices did I get rid of? 1, 2, 3. We'll do rice here. Okay, that gets rid of 4 of the 6. Okay, y'all. I'm committed. Hang on. Okay, y'all. I am committed. Scout's honor. I'm committed to getting rid of cauliflower rice this month. The month of October, we're getting rid of cauliflower rice. Y'all, it has been a chore to get rid of this cauliflower rice. And I don't want to waste it, you know? I mean, this is why we plan, and this is why we do this. You see, it doesn't take very long. 10 minutes-ish, if that. And like, it is a guide. It is just a plan. There it is. But it allows us to go through and get rid of stuff that we need to get rid of. I'm getting rid of cauliflower rice this month, okay? We are gonna go better than 8 days. Man, that sucked. Anyway, here's our plan. You see how we do it. It's really simple when you have your inventory in your phone. Download one of these apps. If you have it into the budget to pay for it, pay for it. Greg and I both have it. We've paid for the lifetime plan. It is a game changer because we're not standing in front of the refrigerator with doors open going, what are we doing for dinner? We have it all right here in our phones. So I hope this is helpful. I'm gonna continue to do this if it's helpful to you. If you have any questions or ideas about what to cycle in, give us some new recipes because we've been eating the same stuff for a hot minute. But like I said, I'm trying to cycle through stuff that we need to get rid of. So if you have any really good staple recipes, leave them down in the comments. I would truly appreciate that. Maybe I'll pick a few and we'll make them and put them up on the channel. So I'm always looking for new recipes that need to go in the, staple rotation. So anyway, alrighty. Like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And until we see you on the next video, bye y'all. And cauliflower rice is leaving my freezer.